Being our flag as a symbol of independence. Is there any country in Africa that has never been a colony or a protectorate?
Ethiopia.
It's Ethiopia, even though they were once invaded by the Italians, but Ethiopia was never colonized. And you're from which country? You're from USA?
United States.
You have to know the other country. It's a first matter. There's a country formed by the former American slaves.
Oh, that's Liberia.
Liberia. Liberia means liberty or liberation. 1847, Liberia became a state under Joseph Jenkins Roberts. The capital city, Monrovia, was named after former American President James Monroe. Monrovia. You can see even their flags, it resembles the American flag. It was the first country in Africa to be ruled by a woman president. It was the first country in Africa to produce the first World Footballer of the Year, 1995, George Weah. And the motto of the country was freedom brought us here. And the first sub-Saharan African country to achieve independence was Ghana, 1957, under Kwame Nkrumah. They changed their name from Gold Coast to Ghana. Ghana was named after ancient Ghana Empire, like Angola. It was named after Angola Empire. You know, some of these African countries, their names have a meaning, like Ethiopia. Ethiopia means land of people with burned faces. The capital city, Addis Ababa, it means new flower.